So hey guys, welcome to my channel Computer Masters. Today we are going to learn a new topic, spreadsheet functions and charts. So this is a totally new topic of our chapter class 8. So firstly we are going to open MS Excel or Excel. So Microsoft Excel is starting and we are going to full screen it. So as you can see, this is Excel of 2010. 2007 is a bit lower version and 2010 is an updated version. So now I am going to show some components of it. This is known as the column and row bars. This whole bar is known as column and this is known as row, and this effects is known as formula bar. Here we can write formulas 3 plus 2 like this. We can enter formulas and as you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is up to, let me show you, XFD. If we press CTRL plus arrow keys, then it will go in the direction we pressed arrow keys, like CTRL like this, then down you will go downwards, and the downwards number is 1048576, and if you go to this side then like this, or this like this, direct from there to here. And we are going to learn today some basics. So let me show you something. Firstly, we can do like this. We can highlight every cell in a row or column like this or like this, just clicking 1,000 times. Now let me show you the thing. Like we give an inverted comma, then we write computer, and then we will go here to write world like this, and then we will give end quoted line. Now we will go to E and then write is equals to A1 and C1. Now if we press enter, see what happens. It came computer world. And if you want to give a space here, let me show you. Here we are going to write this computer world again in space version, and we have to go to this, then cut this and write again computer. Let me show you. Then after writing computer, we have to give a space, extra space. Then we have to go to where we are going to do that and version. And if you click here, it will automatically come A1. Then we have to give and then we have to click world. If you press enter, it will come computer world with a space between him. So this is the basic of adding two words together in MS Excel. Now let me show you the wrong things that can happen, like this. If we add means right here A, and here we write N. Okay, now we go to C and write is equals to A plus, A plus B 1. Okay, now see what happens. It came value, because if we write two letters with plus, it doesn't get then value but an text unit. It is not a or n is not a numerical, and so if we give plus, it doesn't came a or n. It came wrong, means they are asking for the value. Now let me delete this and also delete this. Now if we write here 73, here 12, here 34, here 14, and go to E1 and write is equals to A1 plus B plus C1 plus D1 and press enter. Then 133 will come, which is accurately 73 plus 112 plus 34 plus 14. And as my MS Excel is getting a numerical or a value here, so it is plusing it. But if we give a text, then it will not come. Now if we do this, that's 73 and we go to D, and if is equals to 73 means A1 and B1, it will come 71 2 because it is both. It is not just adding the both, it is just combining the two letters. And if we go to E and write is equals to A1 into 12 means B1 and into plus D1, then it will come 8188, which is accurately the same value if we add it. Now you can delete this all by like this backspace, and see it came all same. And now I'm going to show you one MS Excel file. So here, as you will see, it is a blood pressure tracker. Here you have to give your name, then target blood pressure in systolic and diastolic, call physician above, and physician phone number. Here it will come like this. And let me show you another one. This whole area is known as the page. So let me show you to this last topic, that is the auto function method. Let me show you 43 plus 21, and if we go to C to plus this, we have to give is equals to here, and then here from here we can give is equals to, and here many of options will come like sum, average, if, hyperlink, count, max, mean. And if we select sum, then we click OK, then it will come 64, which is the exact value. Now let me show you one thing which is similar to this, and let me show you. If we click here, if we click here, CTL plus B, then it will come 64, which is the exact value of sum. And here, if we give is equals to, and here we write sum. We have to write in capital, then give first brackets, and then A1 is to B1, then give, close the brackets and press enter. It will come 64, which is the exact value 43 plus 21. So today I want to end this video by saying that please subscribe our channel to like, share and comment. Thank you.